This is the complete setup for the percentage biased differential relay. So this relay is used in protection circuits like in generators, high power transformers, then machines using this relay. So this is the main numerical transformer differential relay. It is having LCD display. Then some keys are provided to program this relay. This complete structure consists of different types of control panels. Like this is 3-phase panel. It consists of diode starter, one circuit main MCB. These are the RYB indicators. The second panel is 3-phase bidirectional power cum energy meter panel. This panel will show you the current, voltage, power factor, power angle, frequency in primary side of the transformer. The third panel is current transformer panel. The next panel is differential relay panel. So in this differential relay panel, this R, Y and B, these are 3 phases of the relay. These are primary and these are secondaries. These are the trip contacts which can be further used to protect the transformer. So this is alarm contact. The second 3-phase bidirectional meter is provided to monitor output currents, voltage, power factor and other electrical parameters at secondary side of the transformer. So this is current meter is provided. So these types of 2 panels are provided which are identical. So current meter and elapsed time counter, these 2 panels are there inside this single panel. So it is also having NO contact. Then stop push button and start push button. So this is also the same panel. So one more panel is variable voltage and current injector panel. In this, one auto transformer is provided whose input is 230 volt and output is 0 to 270 volt variable. So this panel will provide necessary current for percentage biased experiment. So in this, primary is 230 volt 1 ampere and secondary is 8 volt 12 ampere. So again, such a type of 2 panels are provided in this trainer. So this panel is also same. So this is auto transformer. So this is single phase AC input panel. This panel will provide you 230 volt AC input to this variable voltage panel or as an auxiliary supply to the protection relay. With this complete setup, one transformer is also provided. So this transformer is under protection. So it is having primary as well as secondary. So this is 3-phase transformer. So this is manual for this transformer protection relay panel. So in these different types of experiments you can perform. So let us see. The first experiment is to plot characteristics of percentage bias differential relay. The second experiment is pickup test for differential relay. Third experiment is transformer protection using differential relay for in-zone trip faults, that is the faults occurring inside the transformer, generator or motor. And the fourth experiment is transformer out zone or non-trip faults. So these faults are outside the transformer, that is it may be at the load side. So connection diagram for differential relay is given. So here block diagram is provided. So wiring schedule is provided, that is in the fashion from and to. So you have to connect a cable provided with this strainer between tag number 11 and tag number 1. So such a number of connections are given. So make these connections as per the wiring diagram. And apply this procedure. So procedure is also given stepwise. Observation table is also provided. So for different current settings, fill this observation table and observe the percentage bias differential relay characteristics.